Recipe for Disaster. Today we're going to show how to make a fine human food thing. First, you need a thing of blood. Okay, blood. Then, you need some fingers. The finger inside the food, or fingers. Now, you need human hair. Okay, and now you must cook it for 5 minutes. And now it's done.
And hot.
Now feed it anywhere to any of your friends.
Sarah.
Like Sarah. Doesn't that look yummy?
Not really.
It's supposed to look yummy. It's a finger and blood. God dang it. Eat it or die.
Oh no. Oh jeez. Take away the shirt on the bottom.
What? And this is our finger man. His fingers got cut off if you didn't notice. And so this is our recipe for disaster.
Disaster. Yeah, that's our goal. It's epic, I know. Haley, get the sword out. Gonna jab me in the eye. Okay.
Alright. This is Haley. She helped. This is Sarah.
I'm
She helped
Sarah!
me. This is Brian. He was the man who got killed.
Yep.
This is Haley, the mass murderer. And this is Logan, who got his fingers cut off. And
Open your eyes,
buddy.
Yeah.
This is the apple that got like
Mass murder.
mass murdered.
He got massacred.
And he's awesome. Alright, so thank you for watching our recipe for disaster.